Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Greens and Superfoods. Bloom Greens are a popular dietary supplement designed to support your overall wellness. They contain a powerful blend of over 30 beneficial nutrients, including superfoods, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. This comprehensive formula is crafted to help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and boost your natural energy levels, making it a great addition to your daily routine for a healthier you. Preparing your Bloom Greens is incredibly simple. Just take 1 scoop, which is about 5 grams, and mix it with 8 to 12 ounces of your favorite liquid. Water, juice, or even a smoothie work perfectly. Make sure to stir or shake it thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. For the best taste and effectiveness, it's recommended to drink it immediately after preparation. Enjoy this refreshing and nutrient-packed beverage. Timing your Bloom Greens intake can enhance its benefits. Many individuals find it most effective to drink their greens first thing in the morning, perhaps 30 minutes before breakfast. This helps to kickstart your day with a powerful dose of essential nutrients and can support your metabolism. You can also enjoy it as a healthy pick-me-up between meals. However, it's generally best to avoid consuming it right before bedtime, as some users report a slight energy boost. To truly maximize the benefits of your Bloom Greens, consistency is absolutely crucial. Make it a daily habit to see the best results over time. Remember, this supplement works best when combined with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and regular physical activity. Always store your container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. If you have any specific health concerns, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.